Indonesia freezes world project after shell permit breach, 20M traders on edge. Crypto regulation. OpenAI. World. Author. Jimmy Aki. Author. Jimmy Aki. About author. Jimmy has nearly 10 years of experience as a journalist and writer in the blockchain industry. He has worked with well-known publications such as Bitcoin Magazine, CCN, and Blockonomi covering news. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. May 4, 2025. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Key takeaways. Indonesia suspends the world project due to unregistered iris scanning operations. Using shell entities for licensing violates Indonesian digital laws. Users question the ethics of trading biometric data for crypto rewards. Indonesia has suspended the operating certificates of Sam Altman's digital identity venture, World, formerly WorldCoin, after investigators flagged registration irregularities and suspicious activity in an announcement on May 4. The country's Ministry of Communication and Digital, Comdigi, found that the project operated without proper permits, using a shell entity to bypass local laws. WorldCoin's bait-and switch in Indonesia reveals crypto's regulatory loopholes. Comdigi's investigation revealed that World's local partner, PT Bulan Abadi, failed to secure the mandatory Electronic System Operator Certificate, TDPC. Instead, the project operated under PT Sandina Abadi Nusantara, whose permit did not cover iris scanning services. In a press release, Comdigi's Director General Alexander Sabar labeled the switch a serious violation and warned that any digital provider that borrows another firm's credentials breaks Indonesian law. Public opinion is divided as some applaud the crackdown, calling World a scam, while others argue that cash-strapped Indonesians may find value in trading iris data for World's WLD tokens. Regulators have ordered World to halt news sign UPS during the suspension period and will question both operators. Comdigi's intervention threatens to slow that momentum. Under Indonesian law, digital platforms that fail to secure a valid TDPC face sanctions up to permanent blacklisting. Indonesia joins a growing list of governments pushing back against the eyeball for crypto model launched in July 2023. Data protection watchdogs in Germany, Kenya, and Brazil have already opened probes. Despite this, World pressed ahead with its U.S. expansion last week, scheduling OR-based verifications in Atlanta, Austin, Los Angeles, and other states. American users will receive WorldCoin, WLD, after passing the scan and receiving a World ID. Will Indonesia's youth drive global crypto dominance? The suspension of World in Indonesia is especially influential because the country represents one of the fastest-growing crypto markets. Asia's fourth-largest country by population, Indonesia saw crypto transaction volume skyrocket to over $30 billion in 2024, up from $6.5 billion the previous year, a 352% increase. The country now has over 20 million active traders on local and global platforms as of 2024. Chainalysis ranks Indonesia among the top crypto adopters worldwide, thanks to its growth in Southeast Asia. Youth investors drive this boom, with more than 60% of users aged 18 to 30. Tokens like Bitcoin, Ether, USDT, and Solana remain the most traded assets. Local exchanges recorded 716,000 registered accounts, underlining growing retail and institutional interest. Regulators also eased restrictions by enacting CoFDRA Regulation No. 9 of 2024, which opened doors for institutional participation and sparked a September rally. A dual tax policy imposed in 2022 temporarily cooled market activity, but 2024 volumes have already surpassed the combined totals of 2022 and 2023. Indonesia's policymakers are now debating revising the double tax on crypto gains to sustain momentum. This would help the nation cement its status as a fast-emerging global crypto hotspot, outpacing many peers in adoption and technical advancements. Did Sam Altman's World just lose its hold on Asia's crypto hotspot? Indonesia's crackdown on the World project isn't just a local dispute, it's a warning shot. Across Southeast Asia, resistance to unchecked data harvesting by Western tech firms is mounting. For example, Singapore's regulators are already investigating world over biometric data and money laundering risks. Tech giants once exploited lax oversight in emerging markets, not anymore. Nations like Indonesia enforce strict data sovereignty, so even Sam Altman-backed ventures can't ignore local laws. Asian nations like Malaysia and Thailand with a similar demographic profile and rising crypto use will scrutinize world's compliance before granting the project access as user data becomes a guarded asset for these nations. The monitoring goes beyond the continent. Germany, Kenya, and Brazil are also investigating world's biometric data model. Despite this, the World Network is pushing ahead elsewhere. The project recently partnered with Circle to integrate USDC stablecoins into its network. It has also expanded to the US, offering $WLD tokens in exchange for iris data. The development in Asia marks a shift and proves a hard truth. Regulatory shortcuts are no longer permissible even in crypto-friendly markets. Frequently asked questions (FAQs). What stops the World Project from bypassing US biometric laws like in Indonesia? Unlike Indonesia's centralized system, the US already enforces strict state-level biometric laws. These laws levy hefty fines for collecting biometric data without consent, making covert workarounds legally and financially perilous. In addition, U.S. regulators and a strong tradition of class action litigation actively penalize violations, discouraging shell entity tactics. Will Indonesia's crypto tax revisions attract more institutional investors? Yes, easing the double tax, VAT plus income tax could incentivize institutions, especially as CoFTRA's 2024 regulations already allow their entry. However, lingering regulatory uncertainty around asset classification may still deter conservative funds. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. XRP price ready for comeback. Analysts see bull movement and strong potential for upward trend. XRP price prediction. Should you sell XRP in May? Here's what analysts expect next for Ripple. XRP price prediction. Whale activity signals massive $10 breakout soon. Blockchain news. Trump wants China to stay out of the crypto space. 21 hours ago. By Shalini Nagarajan. Industry talk. Pi Network price prediction. Can BNP Paribas partnership trigger the $10 rally? 13 hours ago. By Simon Chandler. Crypto regulation news. Senator Warren calls out potential Trump family conflict in urging Senate to pause crypto bill. 22 hours ago. By Shalini Nagarajan. Best crypto to buy for 2025. Top crypto to invest in. April 15, 2025. By NSS, Tavares. New cryptocurrency to invest in May 2025. April 18, 2025. By NSS, Tavares. 13 best crypto pre-sales to invest in 2025, full pre-sale list. March 3, 2025. By Mebkeely-Cuddy. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in May 2025. April 13, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 23 hours ago. By NSS, Tavares. Next crypto to explode in 2025, 14 next big cryptocurrencies. September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.